I have been dreaming of something like oneAPI for a long time.
For the first time, I will actually be able to run the same code on my laptop as I do on the largest supercomputers. And just for development and debugging, that's amazing. That's Nirvana.
One data parallel programming environment where you can deliver code for CPUs, GPUs, FPGAs, artificial intelligence. It's amazing.
Across a broad range of disciplines, we're now seeing data becoming much larger, much more diverse. So we've had to re-architect our systems to be data intensive.
There's so many things that you can do to make processes more powerful or more efficient for particular workloads. But if everyone has to rewrite their code for all of the different processors, realistically, it's never going to work for anyone.
We probably have half a dozen CPU architectures. We have GPU accelerators. The CPU is starting to look like an accelerator itself. We have FPGAs. There is no end to this diversity, which on the one hand is great fun, but we only have a limited amount of resources. And I'm not even thinking money, I'm thinking brain power.
You need to be able to make it really easy to be able to move workloads between different processors.
It's not just between one architecture today and another architecture today, but the architecture today and the architectures of tomorrow that we haven't even begun designing yet.
The future of oneAPI is very, very exciting. I think there's lots of things that we can do now that we couldn't do before.
oneAPI has the potential to become that industry norm for compiling codes for all architectures.
oneAPI is a very appealing solution because it allows you to run the same code base, and so the developers only develop one version of the code and still be efficient on very different architectures. We have physicists already trying out the oneAPI beta.
oneAPI really achieves three things. It's open, it's community-driven, and it's reasonably performance portable.
We now have a reality, a platform that is probably one of the most exciting prospects that I have ever seen in the world.